Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Semret Russom.
I'm Robil.
And this is Delina. We are back with another episode of Tigrinya Tuesday. We are really excited to have you back, and we want to say welcome to our new potential subscriber, to all our subscribers, and we love you guys so much. So this episode is going to be about Valentine's Day. It's all about love, February love. Are you excited? Birthday boy?
Oh, wow.
Yeah. All right, guys, let's get into it. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna teach Robil some phrases in Tigrinya. I'm gonna say the English word and the Tigrinya, and then you repeat the Tigrinya part.
Oh, wow.
You ready?
Oh, wow.
Love, فقري.
فقري.
Heart, libby.
Libby.
Flowers and roses are fiori.
Both of them are fiori.
Yes,
Okay. Fiore.
fiori.
That's Italian.
Well, it's Tigrinya.
Okay.
Chocolate, chocolate.
Chocolate.
Strawberry, fragola.
Fragola.
Champagne, champagne.
Champagne.
Truffle, truffle.
What is it?
Truffle.
Truffle.
February, lekatit.
Lekatit.
Candy, caramella.
Caramella.
Red, قيه.
Ka'aye. Did I say that? Did I say that right?
Yes.
Ka'aye.
Steak and lobster. What is it? Bistecca and lobster.
Bistecca and lobster. That's in
Great.
Tigrinya?
If you guys know different way of saying it, steak and lobster, let us know. Don't forget.
Don't forget.
So it's two things for a boy and for a girl. For a girl is ay teresiyo.
Ay Teresa iyo.
Yes.
That's me to you.
Yes.
Ay Teresa iyo.
And then I would say ay teresayo.
Ay Teresa ayu.
Yes.
To a boy.
Yes.
So I won't forget.
We'll see. All right, guys. I'm gonna quiz Robil. If you know the words that you learn.
I hope so.
Are you ready?
I hope so.
Okay. How do you say love?
Love, fa'eri. Fa'eri. Fa'eri.
Just say
Was that good? Fa'eri.
فقري.
Fa'eri. Fa'eri.
Yes, perfect. Good job. How do you say this?
Heart is libby. Libby.
Heart is libby.
Libby.
Good job. All right. How do you say truffle?
Truffle.
How do you say roses or flowers?
Fiori.
Fiori.
Fiori. Fiori.
Fiori. Good job. Yes. So how do you say chocolate?
Chocolate. Chocolate.
Chocolate. How do you say candy? You don't have candy.
Candy. Caramella.
That's right.
Caramella.
That's right. Caramella. How do you say?
Okay.
How do you say red?
Red.
This color red.
Red is kaye. Kaye.
That's right. Hey, yeah. Good job.
Red is the color of Valentine's Day.
Oh yes.
And love.
Let's see. How do you say strawberry?
Strawberry. Fragola. Fragola.
How do you say champagne? Pretend like there's champagne in here.
Champagne. Champagne.
How do you say lobster and steak?
It is lobster and bistecca. Bistecca.
Steak.
Bistecca.
Good. How do you say February?
February. February lekatit. Lekatit.
Okay. So next word is don't forget, because February is a very important month.
Ay Teresa iu.
Ay teresiyo.
Ay Teresa iu. Right?
Yes, you better not. Don't forget.
Merhaba sidrabid. Metse aloho.
مرحبا بأب سلامة أخو.
كمي وإلكي
Tsupo, Nero.
Tsupo.
We help you.
Yanile.
Ganzevka.
Ne'enai, ne'eref, television, nere.
Usutora.
Oa.
Intai maalti EU.
Lo ma'alti lekatit aserte arbate EU.
Emo. Oh. Flowers. And chocolate. Is it for Delina? Daddy,
It's for you.
It's Daddy.
Yeah,
for
see?
you. Say thank you, Daddy.
Yef kereki.
Yef karaka. Nef
karakum.
All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode. It's all about love. We appreciate you guys so much for always supporting us. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. We are here every Tuesday and Thursday. And so we wanted to say thank you for hanging out with us. It's about love, but love is not just on February. Love is about every day, being kind, loving, and sharing with your partner, with your family, with your children. And so don't wait till February to say, I love you. So with that, we want to say thank you so much. Until next time. Bye, guys.
We love you.
Come on, say bye, Delu. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Delina.